Do 50 push-ups every morning and see what happens to your body. Push-ups are a common exercise, used by many to strengthen their core and upper body. Most like to include push-ups into their daily exercise routine. Although push-ups mainly activate muscles in the shoulders and arms, they are also effective at engaging muscles in the legs and core. As such, they are beneficial for building strength throughout the body. Today, we will be focusing on the effects of doing 50 push-ups every morning. How will your body react after a month? We'll have a summary for you toward the end of the video. How push-ups affect our hearts. Push-ups drive your heart to work harder. The heart doesn't just pump blood to fuel the arm, but it also does the same for your abdomen muscles. This continuous pumping enhances cardiovascular endurance, which can result in very tangible effects like improving heart health and reducing body fat. When the back muscles and tricep are stretched, they work together to expand each muscle. So when you're doing 50 push-ups every morning, it's likely that you can feel an odd click or movement within these muscles. It may be alarming at first, however, know that it's beneficial to boost your strength, as it prevents injuries from happening, as well as providing an aesthetic of strength effects. After 30 days performing 50 push-ups every day for a month will absolutely activate that muscle group. For people who haven't done 50 push-ups for a day in a while, chances are the effects you'll feel will be more pronounced. That's because if your muscles haven't been put to work before, it's likely that the odd movement of your body will abruptly force it into action. During the first month, you may see more weight loss around the bicep, tricep and deltoid areas for obese and overweight individuals. They will see more visible results since they have often had fats concentrated in those regions. Consequently, the overall aesthetic and image of themselves will improve. Also, you should be able to see some improvements in functional strength within a month of doing 50 push-ups. Performing 50 push-ups a day is a lot already. All the muscles that haven't worked before it will be working hard. Typically, a human body won't respond positively when under strenuous physical activities like this. As a result, your upper body and abdomen area may feel extremely sore for some time in the first week. However, after a few weeks, your body should get accustomed to the force dumped into these body regions. Thereby it will react by eliminating the overstress that causes soreness sometimes. Even after having finished a set of 50 push-ups, the day before you might easily grow tired of the exercise. Other times you might feel that you can easily run the 50 push-ups without trouble. Summary: push-ups are specifically effective at strengthening the muscles on the shoulder, joints, the muscles and tendons on the shoulder, keep the upper arm bone in place in the shoulder socket. Performing 50 push-ups every day is impressive, but it's also important to note that overloading weak muscles can lead to muscle and tendon injuries. As such, you may consider gradually increasing the number of push-ups first before jumping right into a more intense workout plan. Nonetheless, if 50 push-ups a day will make you more satisfied, then so be my guess. After all, you know your body best. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.